Hello, this is your girl Bogie. Welcome to this episode of Backyard's TV talk show, A Little Bit of Trouble. This is where we come every Saturday and talk about, our stories, about getting in trouble with family members, friends, and, even in relationships. So we have special guest artist Keisha Martin and Bronx's very own fearless dancers.
Good morning.
In the building. So Keisha, I know say you done something to get in trouble with your parents. You went out with somebody that your parents didn't approve of.
Oh no, I didn't have any of those. I was a late bloomer. And that's not one of my little bit of trouble story. No. Like, I started partying when I was like really, really young. I was kind of really rebellious, and I was a dancehall queen. Shh, not tell nobody. So like my mom really didn't like that, but I loved the dancing thing because that was like what I loved before I discovered that music was something that I loved. So my mother used to always come and say when she see me, yo, beer things me I hear say and then I dance for your head top and beer things, and I'm like, shut up. She's like, beer things you dance for your head top and a split and one a beer things people are come. I'm like, but mom, I love the dancing thing, and it's not like, I guess she, as a parent, was hearing it from one angle, and she know how the dancehall scene stay already. But you're a young youth and dancing. I mean, I grew up and watch Bogle and them people that dance. And my dancing was kind of different from the average, the skin out and the panty on stage and one bag of lulale. But our parents, them I hear things, so that's my little bit of trouble. Like,
so does she ever catch you on the DVD? Cause so them tape them something there.
Why I want to you say that era never really. I mean, she knew I never hid it. I loved what I did. I mean, dancing is one of my passions. I just left it alone because it became like really raunchy and the take off clothes business. It just became the stripper business. So I just left it alone because I don't want to be associated with that. I've been dancehall queen of Canada, Jamaica, all over the place.
So it would be impossible to get a fearless versus Keisha Martin thing.
No. Next time.
So did your mother punish you, or?
I mean, it wasn't really a punishment thing, because we kind of started a semi-bigomanish kind of vibe. Yeah. So the punishment wasn't involved. Of course, you hear, well, you need to stop, because people. I think my mom was more worried about the perception of people on the outside versus, me being a youth, and it's just being something that you loved, So
you really did a business. What you say? You still continue.
I love it. Dance, trophy, tour. I mean, I was one of the top paying dancers. I got paid just to enter competition because I was that nice. Different kind of thing I go on. Fearless thing different. For them thing turn up on the level. Well, we not dagger. We don't dagger. I hard the dagger.
I know say did something to get your parents upset now.
I know me I do the things my parents upset. So I can't stop get trouble. I know I'm born to get trouble. Me trouble in a dancer.
So one example of.
One example?
Yeah.
When me the thief out the meat when I don't cook and then come catch me. Cause I love food,
Yeah.
Cause you can't say me thick, but yeah.
Yeah.
So thief out the meat and me I look if nobody I come. I never know say nobody I see me, then take my mother take time my people and me watch me, I see me I go thief it. I'm kind of look, me not to see her, and I say, yeah, me go there now and me look good in the dance still, kind of parboil, but it can't go on. Me stay so bad, I say, all right, so me take out it, I put them in, put them out, lad. She come in and say, where are you? I say, that bun me. I said, no more people, I bought 2 more guns. She said, just as me I left, she say, the meat drop out of my mouth. You know what she do me? Me not get no food, and plus me get beaten.
Wow.
At 16-year-old in time, 16-year-old boy I get beaten just to thief out food.
Just for dear man.
Yeah. And me get in trouble because me usually kick ball. And yes, I don't go ball ground. And me guard the ball ground, same way.
Yeah.
Go broke out my hand and then look thing there and get in trouble and get more beaten and my hand broke. Me still get beaten. A whole lot of thing me do, man. A whole lot of thing.
You're just a troublemaker.
Me a troublemaker. I know me not a dancer, me a troublemaker.
Mother gone to work and thing, I left me at the house and thing and tell me say, make sure I bring in a company at the house and all these things. Them time I about 13, So I say back now and say they want me alone, lonely and thing. So I say I need a company to come over with me, man. So I say back now I make 2 calls. Then time they look up Motorola, you know, big Motorola phone there. Me I want them phone if I'm younger. Make a call and them girl them come over and something they over there. Me and the house I enjoy myself. Right time.
So you mean enjoy? What kind of enjoy?
So you know some man mature from them 13. You know that?
Enjoy.
And we just enjoy ourselves and thing. And then I take a start now, my mother that roll up in the house, you know, man.
Yeah.
And the girl have run out there for her clothes and all this.
So something that go on. Some things that go on.
Bag of things that go on. But
So did your mother catch you up there?
yeah,
or you just
catch me, man.
So she opened up the door.
Open up the door. And the girl have just run through the door. A baby and me get that day there.
Eh?
Your mother beat you.
Mother beat me that day there, man. Cause guess what? Upon fear bed me there too.
I can't ask you a question. Was it worth it?
Yeah, they worth it. They worth it. They worth it. They worth it.
It was worth it.
So my trouble is that, you know, my mother give me some beating, but after I beating cool off, remember what happened with me and the girl there, so I don't regret it still, is it?
Okay.
Everything worked right.
All right. So what have you done? You know, you look like you're innocent with your hoodie on your head. Eh?
One day, you know, it's like high school days, you know, but just start high school. I say, nah, really do too well in school, because can't concentrate, too much money, is it?
Too much money.
That's it. So one day, my mother look at me and tell me, I'm grounded, I can't go outside. And I say, I can't do nothing.
Yeah.
So, I don't know, and a couple of my friends them link me up and say, what you deal with? And I say, they're woman, and I know I can't really touch the road. And I say, boy, we have some girl there, say, I want to go somewhere, you know. So I say, well, if I'm a girl that knows, I bring them on my hands.
Yeah.
So I come on my hands and be a thing. So you know, so we have a local party going. And I say, I mean party around music I play. You know, we are dancer from man. So we just a dance and I enjoy ourselves. And basically, you know, me take it to a different level. You know what I say? My friend, them have wait, I say, my mother room. You know what I say? Yeah. So you don't know, say, things start pop off. You know what I say? So why things are pop off now, my mother come home from work and forget the time because I have too much fun.
Yeah.
So she come in now and say, I say, what go on in the son? My mother that walk in. So mother look for me and look on the girl in the bed. I say, when I say to her, but I start thinking about what Shaggy that say it wasn't me, but it don't get catch early, so you don't know. You can't say it wasn't you. I say so.
All right. One more.
Unruly.
Yeah.
This is our next innocent one. And next innocent looking one. What have you done now?
I don't get too much trouble still now.
Yeah.
Innocent, you can't say I'm innocent. Alright.
But no, say you did something in your time to get your parents them upset.
Well, when I just start dance still, right? And I'm about 13, 12 and time. I'm going to go party. My mother don't want to go party because she about pay things and people that did every day at party. But whenever I care in time, I just party there on my mind straight. Most of the man can course and if I call and say, yo, mommy, I want to baby shower me. I go. It's a big dancer. I go, and most time I not tell her nothing still. And she wonder when I dance, she worry still. Most time I just bleach out 2 days. But I know that, you know, I come in the house, you know, but she not swim there because she direct. I come in at daytime and go back out. She calling her sister, yo, Lucy, my mother and it. Yeah. I when not come in the house and she afraid, you know.
Yeah. Go back up before she come back home.
Yeah, man, I was in her out, you know, do thing, you see.
But she ever catch you?
Yeah, she catch me come in most time. But look at now, my brother work for that thing, you see. Because my brother say, yo, your name Matthew. Yeah. I say, Matthew, I come in that time, I make sure you wake up, you know. Okay? You don't go in bed, you know, play a game all night. So, I say, Matthew, and do that knock here. And if you come through and help me do, most time if you're a happy fence, I go in the back door. I say, oh, Matthew, bring the key and anything there. And go in car. My mother catch me, you know, say, Ellen for the house, you know.
So you ever get the Ellen for the house?
Well, I have to run sometime, you know. Yeah, man, beating. So the thing is, you get this, you know. You get the beating and thing, you know, boy.
I love my parents here, boy. Me was a rude kid, you know. I know my roots, but my rude big man was, you know. Yeah. Yeah. Me get liquor out of the electric wire for go canal and them thing. You know, river. Yeah. They say don't go a river, and me go a river. See me. Today me go a river. Me get beaten for today. Tomorrow me go back again. Just chew. More beaten. Yeah. Just more swim, and me I get more beaten. So me I go a river again. Me no business. Beaten. Me get. I remember back. Wheel up more time and more time. I say me I killing them. Me get bigger river. We don't want them right now. We love them right now. You understand me? I say, so, beating good for you sometimes because it teach we a lot for you know, say, yo, they don't want to go leading the wrong way. They care about you, but at the same time, when we get beaten at the same time, you want to kill you, no? As the parents. That's what I say, but we get big and understand for you know, say, yo, right now, although America, this you can't beat the kids, but me not get no youth. If me get youth now in America, me I get that some next year enough for grey right when them I get out there and you see when the tree bend, you can't bend the tree when you get bigger, you have to try bend it for the younger. So me see it, so you can't hear the parents if you do what them do. Because me not bust no gun now. Now me come turn on an artist dancer in New York right now, because right in them not show. You answer, you say? Yeah. That's something there. Yeah, right way for go.
Being that I'm the only son, I'm not the oldest. I get to it anything. I say, it's just mostly cuss. And you know, the parents cuss, you say, alright, you know how makes you talk. But one time, she used to cuss me, so I argue back with her. I'm going to get to realize, that you argue back with your mother, she don't know how to argue more. My mother make me who I am today. I say? Because guess what? Fearless farm, and every day, I become a better person. Because I'm the oldest, I'm more experienced in certain things. I say? My mistake, them learn from it. I say? So basically, what I ever say, if you beat a child, yes, you can, but what beat not do? May I say? Because you can beat him at him, don't do that. Him still have to do it. May I say? It's just like a little baby, you know. If you have a little baby, at him, don't touch that. He might touch his because him get curious. May I say? So, but if you let him experience it now, him touch it, he say hot. Next time now, they touch it, because it's about him know what happened to him. Do you ever notice kids when they go places and they do nothing? You have to see them have belly, you wonder how them have belly. And kids are up on the road every day. Them street smart. May I say, them have sense enough to know, say, yo, Jano, I see that girl, let me know I end up like she, you know. May I say? But I see people out there now where don't go out there, them don't know what go on in the world because them parents hide everything from them. But them say,
so, fearless dancers. You know, in the industry, you know, being a dance group, there's dances out every week, every month, and stuff like that. What challenges do you guys face, especially coming out with a new dancer, you know?
Like where you find Ding Dong, Ravers, Clavers, Over Mars, Above them, and Checkers them, and all these dancers. Alright, we're trying to put a dance out there, so we have this dance now. And we have a new video feed. We call Walk the Walk. Walk the Walk was created by Bama Fearless. And it's a unique dance where everybody can catch on to. You understand me? I say, sometimes disagreement come in our group, but at the same time, people are road. We're not going to make people are road know them thing there. You understand me? I say, we try to keep that down, but a lot of disagreement. You understand me? I say?
Because I know there's a couple of dances that, you know, somebody else take over and change the name.
Yeah. Well, you have to go to our next dance group, ask them about that, because we don't take people dance. We try to create, not imitate. You understand me? I say, not for them. They might take a dance and they might do it in front of their face and I say, oh, my dances and Bill, we usually do routine. If we step so, you know, say, what are we a step so? You understand me? I say, we usually do all of that routine, but now we still do them little thing, but we're not going to practice every day. A routine. We try to put dance out there, I try to get it worldwide. So people can know, say, after Fearless dancers pass and gone, because I will for dancer pass and gone, that's like Mr. Wacky pass and gone, Ice pass and gone. So when Fearless pass and gone, you know, say, they have a dancer, say, oh, you know, Mr. Wacky, they say, Weddy, Bogie and them, one time, Fearless pass and gone, they can hear Fearless, you have a dance, and Walk the Walk, you will really do it. So them type of thing that we are setting a dancer.
So, Bama, you created the dance?
Yeah, man, Walk the Walk and create it, you know.
And what made you decide to come with that dance?
You know, so I always have dancing on me, you know, I just always have moves. So when I move now, boom blast, we just see me and look at me and say, Bama, you know, say, yo, we can push the dancer, we can do this, we can do that. Because I always have a movement in me, you know, because ever since, from me I do something, you know, I love to create my own, you know. No matter what I do in life, I love to be a leader in my one way and create my own stuff. I like so boom blast, we see me and say, yo, you know, so we can put that in something. And we come in and say, yo, you know, all this song, Walk the Walk. And I say, yeah. And you start to show me my one dance. And we see, sometimes people observe things different from a different, somebody point of view, you know. Yeah. So they observe that now and she say, yo, it can be a dance now. And I say, true, it a shot. Then we link up Cypher and Styles now. We just come together now. You know? Come together now and put it, and then boom blast just do it 2 feet and it shot.
No time.
I mean, not the case with it. Tell you now, that I'm not the case.
Boom blast and Bama sitting that still. We're not going to and Cypher and Styles.
Most
Styles too, Styles.
Styles, you know. Come closer.
Styles, you have to come closer now.
Enough time Styles, I say, Bama, we not be no dancer now, can't dance now, because if I know you be the dancer, like the man them no want to do the dance. You see, some more time, I say, yo, I don't say go still.
Oh, you create the song now, how did that come to you?
Alright. Like, I said to Keisha one day, say, yo, yo, me like over my song now. No, you see me now, you don't, you know. And then as I say me run at my girlfriend yard, man, and then me I write, like me I write, but me write something close to over my song. Okay. And Keisha said to me, say, yo, you all our friend, me now lie in a boom blast. Me now gonna make your voice something, cause Mars probably feel that way and say, okay, all our part we are trying to pirate me. Yeah. Me say me think Mars, if you know, if Mars don't say that, he might put me out there and say I'm a general, I'm idol. Yeah. He must say, oh, boom boom. Just listen to me boom blast. Just change the line. I'm change it. That's what I say. But my girlfriend now say, man, I'm change up the line. And he call my friends, boom blast have something new for them, you know. What he want to do on the star boy with him, you know. Chim their cars with him, and I say, so I say, ask me if you have read him. I say, yeah. You can download the rhythm on the computer. Download the night. And I go and just kick it like a ball and thump it like a Tyson and Holyfield. And that was it. And then the video come out now and see that. I do it, little thing, walk the walk. You know?
So who are the people that's in the video? Because I know there's a lot of people.
Black Star dancer. Shout out to Black Star, you know. Cool Kid Fearless, Crazy Fearless, and you know, Advanced Fearless and Fresh Fearless. Big up for all of them. Shout out to the new 4 members who signed one day.
Who do you guys rate as
Father Wacky, rest in peace. I love your favor. Now I say, when Father Wacky say moves on him, move with it, you see it, and the body language that I mean. May I say, so routine dancer, them can tell when them build routine, and them do routine, we do it for one day. And me get everything for you one day, but next day, me not a routine dancer, me a freestyle. Them can tell them, Mr. Man, me just a dancer, me just build something on the spot. Me don't stick to one dance. May I say, and me go out there, and checkers them do one thing, big up the checkers them, big up Overmass. May I say, and them do one thing, me not follow them. I do my own thing. That's just me. May I say? Like I see something in my head, and my foot just copy it right away and just start move to it.
I never Bogie me first look up to still. I look up to man like James Brown, you know what I say. Michael Jackson. And then make me really start dancing. Yeah. And then when I in junior high school, like Virgin showed me a DVD, a Jamaican DVD. I thought passa I go on. I found that I could name Jeremy Squad, they make me start dancing. You know. Active dancer, then I really start getting dancing. Okay. And then I come across Bogie, you know. And I just gravitate to him. Yeah. Like, one of my friends them call me now, Wacky. I pay Wacky style, me do, man. Everything I Wacky style, you see me?
I mean, Wacky style, just like right now. Like the pants and blazer and cho. You know, yeah. And I see Anna, I say Wacky style, what them, man, cho. Cho them, man, just choke them now.
So are you guys working on any other dance moves coming out, or?
We have a new dance move on touch the roads now, but disagreement again. So we are talking about disagreement again with me and Bama. Because this time now, me not gonna lie, me see the dance, me get the dance off of him too, but him I say him see next man kinda do the dance already.
But don't you think like even the old time, say like Michael Jackson, don't you think the newer dancers is still similar to those old time
dances? Every dance right now created off of Mr. Wacky. Shout out to Mr. Wacky in dead and gone. Rest in peace to Mr. Wacky.
Do you think it makes a difference being a dancer and coming out whether or not you have a name to actually get something on the market and make people want to actually learn it?
In a dancing world, if you don't have a name, you're not going to go nowhere. May I say, and you have to build it from the bottom to the top. May I say? And you have to know people. It's all about knowing people to get where you want. Anywhere, any industry, singing, rapping, no matter where you go. In this world, you have to know someone to get somewhere. If you don't know someone, you can't go nowhere. You could just come on and see and just dance. And a lot of people in the club say, oh, Jano, feel like them youth, what them name? And ask around, what's their name? And you come and you go over the mic and say, we name Fearless Dancer. Everybody say, all right, Fearless Dancer. More want to see them youth to dance again. And you continue to go over and over again. You start making a name.
You know, most dancers get like an artist like RDX to give them a boost. So they shout out their name in the song. Are you guys looking forward to working with any artists, like bigger artists for show to, dance name?
Yeah, I mean, a couple of artists come our way where like, some of the artists that we want to work with, like Elephant Man, RDX, Mr. Vegas, Movado, Vice Mail, even Cartel. May I say, when Cartel come out, you know? May I say, idea with daddy. As I say, so Obama second that. As I say, so a lot of artists out there we want to work with. It no matter if they're small or big. May I say, Fearless welcome all. May I say, because we're all about unity, we're all about anything at all.
I'm saying there's a lot of dance groups around, dances come dime a dozen. Yeah. Do you guys make money in the dancing industry?
Make money? We're not a lie. Sometimes we do, sometimes we don't. But it's a fun thing for we. It's all about fun. I say, for we...
So you have to talk to yourself about that.
I say, no. Listen to me, sir. Listen to me, sir. Listen. Him disagree. I say, Boomblast disagree, but I can speak to Styles and Bama. I say, we're not saying it's all about money. I say, if it was all about money, we'd have stopped dance. I say, because right about now, dancing is not making money like that. I say, so if it's not all about money, because we love it, we do it.
No, when I say I disagree, he have to talk for himself. Right now, dancing for me, is a career. And you see dancing, I love it so much, that me not go stop dance if the money not make out of it. Because me not remember when we just a broadcast to the thing and I travel state to state and something that just start for it, me not gonna lie. We just get look at money in our pocket. But right now, dancing not getting money again. You have to shout out to the females, them have to take care of dance, make it dance and clean and out. You know what I say? Shout out to
being a former dancer and loving dancing from me, I look up at me. It's just a statement in regards to the dancing because
first, Keisha Martin.
I was there just before Wacky Dead, me meet him, cool guy, all of that. And honestly, I think if you know what surrounded his demise and his death, more dancers will really think about this dancing thing more seriously on a level of financially. I think if more dancers were to come together and put their heads together and structure this thing, money would be able to be made. But you see, because of the mentality that, all right, dancing don't make money, you gonna structure something and put together a foundation if dancers were to come together. And I've been saying this, I just stepped away from it because at the end of the day, the dancing thing, I see how the circle of the younger generation of dancers, how them bad mind each other and I be here rated, but I'm just saying, for the ones them find the dancers them that are mentally on that level where they want to see this thing grow and go further than where it is right now, get together, structure. Everything is a business plan on a level. Put it to a next level and trust me, you guys will make your own network and start making your own money. And
about what you just said, it's real because a lot of these dancers really are not focused. I say, that's what I'm saying. Fearless is one of those dancers focused. I say, even though we love it, when I say we don't love the money too, we love the money too. But I rate the statement she just made, I rate it.
Do you feel that some people look at the dances and just say, yo, it's garbage that they're doing, like signal the plane, like who does that, lift weights, You
see, them time it was like back then. It wasn't nothing, but now you look on it now, you be like, a foolish that. Oh, that's my do. Yeah, go on with that, yeah, man. A foolish that. But back then now, yeah, it set the trend. May I say, but now it's a different age. So people say I do that now, people start laughing off of you like, what that you do? Go on with
skip
that.
To my loop.
No, skip to my loop. It's still not the process. May I say, it's not gone out it. May I say, it's still not the loop. May I say, but most of these dancers now, them bad mind each other. May I say, cause them will say, oh, Fearless can dance, so them know so we can dance. They say Fearless can this, so them know so Fearless are the best. May I say? See, I'm not put nobody over with, I will not downgrade nobody. But we say, we're the best. May I say?
What makes somebody the best? Is it the routine or the swag or?
No. See, the swag, routine, your personality, everything make you the best. May I say? Everything about a dancer. May I say? When you have a dancer, what can I say is a superstar. And everybody see them and say, yo, them are the real thing. May I say? When you have a dancer, no matter what, dancing can stop and people still are calling name. You're still up on the chart.
Fearless can compete with the American market.
Me can do Yankee dance. I can pop, break, everything. May I say? Styles can do a little bit of that. So Fearless versatile. And that's one thing we have. We're versatile. May I say? So we can compete with American market, may I say? Because styles now, like him said, James Brown, Michael Jackson, him have it. Me, I have the foot movement, the whole 9 yards of that. We have all of that.
So which do you prefer more? Dancing or food?
As I say, I must food, I can't dance. Because if you don't eat the food, you're going to get the strength for dance. If you don't eat the food, you're going to get the strength for dance.
But I thought dancing was your passion.
Dancing? Yeah, but still love my food, Because I have to eat my food to get strength for dance.
So when you go sleep now, you think about food or dance?
No. Alright. As I know, Boom Blast is big, alright? So as I know right now, you kind of see that like a slim sitting and come down, you know, so we have to kind of work on it. But right now, I kind of put on food, look kind of aside and I pick up on the dancing thing, because you see, girl, them like a little slim body, I come down, you know? Okay. Yeah.
All right. How do you approach when you're making a dance now? What is your approach in doing the name and everything?
Me, you know, basically more time when me come up with the name, honestly. Me come up with the dance now, and Bumblast we just see it and say, you know what, me always have some good name and come up with, but me always come up with the dance itself. Me build it, and then come up with the name.
So how do you approach in making the dance?
Like, we just there, so I just do a move, and just come out natural to a dancing. Because you don't know, movement is dancing same way, you know. Any movement is a dancing same way.
Do you usually Google it to see if it's out already, or what's your approach with that?
Yeah. We always, when we build it, and we come with the name and something, we look and check the computer and say what's out there. That disagreement we have the other day. We do a dance and I try to push out there and I go up on the computer and say somebody with it. Sometimes say we now better push the dancer again. Because walk it around the whole place now one thing. And we have a new talk, you know. Everything is like seriously, you know. So everything you say, Bilgo, you say like seriously. Yeah.
Life is very serious, like
seriously. Right now we're up on Backyard TV.
Like seriously. Big up Backyard TV, like
seriously. Interview a shot, like seriously. A new thought that we feel is right now a push and it'll gravitate the world where Jamaica, world tri-state all over use it right now.
Yeah, cause life is very serious, like seriously.
So everything you say now you can say like seriously.
Life, no, check it. Life is very serious, like seriously.
Yeah, man.
Because right now, if I promote and pay away, we want to bust up me head like seriously. Because we want money. Yeah, so I say seriously. Seriously, right? Alright, so seriously around the world place.
It's like seriously.
Big up my checkers friend in my yard. They answer me say young blood checkers. They answer me I say advanced checkers, Mr. Fresh, Sean, all of them, Cowboy, everybody. Big up both of them to the world. Keisha, my daddy for life. You answer me I say I have a big up a real man them. Over Mars, my general, above of them, Pelpa, all of them. Sir Yummy. I say nothing, that's what I think.
Well, yeah, you cannot forget Jay outside of checkers as well.
No, Jay, no, I forgot Jay. Jay the boss, big up Jay outsider. And I forgot Lisa, get them crazy. Cause that girl, she do whole heap of things. I think you manage checkers too, right? You're the manager. She's doing a lot of things. She's the manager too.
You know, think I pay from what day, more and Bogie Manage, you know, like seriously, you know. Bogie up on TV, we are talking, you know.
On TV. Serious girl, like serious. Bogie Management.
I admire her.
A long time, we ask her, and a long time we ask her, no Bogie. A long time, you know. On TV we are saying, Keisha Martin.
Big up Keisha Martin, like seriously. Cause right now she will sing a song and feel like a dance, like seriously.
I say you big up Father God straight. And I big up all of the fearless mother them.
Seriously?
And big up all of the fearless mother them. Them two things they have to come first. Father God and fearless mothers. May I say, without them, none of this is possible. And the fans them, be going up same way. May I say, like seriously. Is it?
Like seriously, Keisha.
Oh my God.
So what do you have to say now, you know, with the whole dancing market, you know, closing out?
I mean, I'm always going to love dancing, but I really, just to let you guys know, Keisha Martin would love to see the dancehall fraternity more organized, better structured. You guys need to contracts. Don't settle. You know what I'm saying? Set a certain precedence for yourselves. Keisha Martin, African movie premiere in Brooklyn on November 12th.
Backyard TV, big up on yourself. Much love. May I say much love. May I say these are the kind of things that really inspire fearless to be even more better. May I say, because we see stuff like these and we come and show like these. May I say, idea being created. May I say, we just think of doing things even more.
Because them say, if you don't come from Jamaica and I do things from Jamaica, like, you can't boss certain way. So we want to show them, say, Bronx we live, we all take it from Bronx and boss way very wide, I make them know. And when we boss way the right way, I make them know so Bronx we boss way from, not Jamaica.
Clear the way, make me walk out. Out of the way, make me walk out. And give me way, make me walk out. Fearless we name so we will sort out. Just clear the way, make me walk out. And out of the way, make me walk out. And give me way, make me walk out. Fearless we name so we will sort out. Then walk to the left, walk to the right. Walk to the east, walk to the west. Then make a pause and work your pelvis. Clear the way, make me walk out. And out of the way, make me walk out. Then